For over 55 years, Mr. LongArm has been the world's leading manufacturer of telescoping poles. The tradition of quality and innovation continues with Mr. LongArm's ProCurve Window Washing System. The ProCurve telescoping pole and cleaning attachments were designed for professional window washers to save time and labor by cleaning windows more efficiently than using traditional methods. Because the ProCurve system is easy to use, do-it-yourself home and business owners can clean windows just like a pro.
Hi, my name is Jill, and we're in beautiful Mérida, Mexico. As you can see, it's a gorgeous day. We've got families out riding their bicycles. There's nothing else that I would rather be doing than out riding my bicycle too. But first, we've got some windows we need to wash. Come on. We're at a restaurant called Bravo Tapas, and we're going to show you just how easy it is to use the ProCurve. And before we start washing windows, let's take a look at the ProCurve tools. What I like most about the ProCurve is that it's lightweight, it's easy to use, and it cleans windows fast. Now the ProCurve poles come in a variety of lengths with extensions ranging from 4 feet all the way to 23 feet. Now the body of the pole is made of a fluted fiberglass which provides for a secure grip even when it's wet. Plus, it won't scorch your hands if you leave it out in direct sunlight on hot days. The exterior locking mechanism is really easy to use. You just turn it to the right to loosen, extend the inner pole to your desired length, then turn it back to the left to lock it into place. The curve or elbow of the inner pole is designed to help you access those really hard to reach areas. Plus, it lets you manipulate the angle of the attachment tools. And the tapered end is made of a durable plastic, and it fits the ProCurve squeegee handles. This outer groove securely locks the squeegee in place while allowing it to rotate freely. The ProCurve tools are designed to work in tandem with the ProCurve pole. And this squeegee handle serves two purposes. First, to apply the cleaning solution to the glass using your wash sleeve, and then second, to squeegee the liquid from the glass. Now, my favorite squeegee to use is manufactured by a US company called Sorbo, and they come in a variety of lengths. Today we're going to be using a 12-inch. Now this is called your wash bar, and it holds the microfiber wash sleeve. Now for the purposes of this video, we've gone ahead and inserted both the squeegee and the wash bar, but it's really easy to do simply by turning the screw on the handle, and that will allow the jaws to open up. Okay, you can choose any style of wash bucket that you prefer. I like a rectangular bucket because, as you can see, our wash bar fits neatly down into the bucket. Now today we've used a touch of Dawn dishwashing liquid with our water, but you can use a small ratio of vinegar to water, or you can use a professional glass cleaner if you prefer to do so. Okay, so now that we're familiar with our tools, let's get to work and start washing windows. Now to show you just how easy it is to use the ProCurve, Marcos, who works at Bravo Tapas, has agreed to help us with our demonstration today. Right, Marcos?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you'll notice that we're doing our job today in the shade. It's best not to wash windows in direct sunlight if you can avoid it if all possible. And the reason why is that your cleaning solution is going to dry a little bit too soon on the glass, and it can leave streaks. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is apply the cleaning solution to the glass using our wash sleeve. Good job. Okay, now once the glass has been scrubbed, the next thing that we're going to do is squeegee the liquid from the glass. Now for beginners, it's best to start left and then squeegee over to the right. And you can continue going left to right if you prefer. Or you can go from the top to the bottom.
Notice how the elbow of the pole is positioned down. To show you how much faster ProCurve is than using a ladder or a straight pole, we'll clean these two doors side by side. One of the benefits of ProCurve is that you can swipe from the top all the way to the bottom in one single motion. When using a regular straight pole, you have to stop halfway down, remove the squeegee from the pole, and then finish the job by hand. Unlike a traditional pole and squeegee, the swivel action of a ProCurve allows you to clean irregular shaped glass. Notice how the knob on the squeegee handle always faces away from the glass surface. When cleaning tall and second-story windows, position the elbow to face up. This will allow you to squeegee all the way to the bottom of the window ledge. With just a little practice, you can master advanced cleaning techniques just like the pros.
Now that we've finished washing all of our windows, we can go for our bicycle ride, right? Ah!